Alright, we're back with another video. Today we'll be doing the gator. You use it as a face mask. Or, wait a minute, let me show it, kind of get it in the frame. We're going to sublimate on one today. First we're going to lay, hold on. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and pre-press it. Get the wrinkles out. Alright, got that out. I need, put your cover sheet down as usual. Alright. Cover sheet. Also pick these up on the website, Ercprinting.com. Alright, we're gonna we got our image here. It's mirrored. You can pick up the paper on Ercprinting.com. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna trim around the side. Alright. Align this. I may have printed it a little bit too big, but we're gonna work around it. We got to set on 400 degrees for 60 seconds. How much polyester is?
It is 50% polyester, 25% rayon, and 25% cotton.
So we're gonna see how this turn out. All right. We got 60 seconds at 400 degrees. So we're gonna go. Like I say, be sure to pick these boxes up on the website. See if you can see. Alright. Be sure to like, subscribe on the video, share it, join the Facebook group, ERC Printing Supplies. And anything you got to need? Well, we got 36 seconds. We did a video on a SCF570 unboxing. Be sure to check that out. And we did a video on the 2760, loading the ink in it and converting it or putting ink in it. So we got 14 seconds. It's hot right there. Alright. Let's see, check that out. It's got a faded look because it's like almost like a 50-50. It's hot. Let me cool off a little bit. Well, you want to put some on the inside of it too. I forgot to do that. You want to put some on the inside
to keep it from coming through.
because if you look real well.
Turn it on the inside out, you can see.
But yeah, if you don't put some on the inside of it, yeah, right there. But you can't see it on the back side. But be sure to put some on the inside of it. What did you do there? I don't know what you were thinking on that. That big old sheet. Yeah, people. When you do your printouts, try to get as much as you can on the sheet.
That was a oopsie. I did that.
Alright. Well.
But I'm going to put that on a gator, so I'm going to keep the top and bottom paper since I messed that up.
Well, this...
I printed that on the F570, so just to clear the air. This is actually my second print. So I'm still learning this printer. I usually just print on the other small Epson. So I'm still learning on getting the size right for the print. It's really not the same as the regular printer. It's different the way you have to size it and so forth. So my sizing is off on all the empty space. But I will get it right.
Wait.
Yes, I will.
Oh, man. We'll be out of paper, y'all. So we'll be a while. I'm getting y'all a video. We ain't had no more paper. So I blame her.
I will learn it before
Go to the
I waste paper.
Go to the group and tell her how she writes a lot of paper. It'll be her fault y'all can't get no video. Well, you know what? I'm supposed to put a piece of paper in there, but I really don't know.
No, please don't.
What?
Please use a piece of paper.
You know, I'm just trying to they get the deal. I was just trying
But I want it,
since
it's mine, I want a piece of paper in
I was just trying to make the video fast for them. That's all they want. They just want to know that it works. They know how to do this part. I know they do. All right. I almost got this done. Would have been through this process had it been me in here by myself, y'all. We would have. But, you know, he's in here, so how that is. Okay, we got another one ready to go. We got 400 degrees at 60 seconds. All right. Well, wait a minute. Got that little seam on the side. I'm gonna try to twist it. You know what? I'm gonna do a little pre-press right quick. All right. I want to cut another sheet right quick first. All right. Alright, there we go. Plastic. We got a mirror that you know usually doing. Alright. Says social distancing queen. That's what it says on it. So we're gonna put that. You want this towards the top or the bottom? Where you want it?
in the middle.
Okay.
I don't know where it goes on
I'm
here.
gonna go to the top. That way at least. I don't know. It might be. Alright, it works. Alright. Be sure to like, subscribe. Drop my box again. Ercprintingsupplies.com. Be sure to get your starter box over there as well. And I think we got a good deal going on the shirts. I don't know when it's gonna start, but I know it's a different price, so be sure to get there and try that out. Check that out.
Yes, it's 100% polyester t-shirts.
This is
We're
50-50
giving a
right here.
price break on the shirts.
But it came out, you know, pretty good. This supposed to be mint color, right? It's like a mint, cause this ain't the same kind like I got in the other one.
I don't know, I can't see that. It looks mint from here.
Okay, I was just trying to make sure. Yeah, I think that's right. Alright. Yeah, and be sure to hit that notification button, cause
We want y'all to be notified every time we post a video.
yeah, post a video and go live. I tried to live out trying to fool with it, but you know, we'll get there. And I got a random video we're gonna do about this USPS shipping deal. We're gonna do that. So how they do the packaging and just, you know, how they just misplace and lose packages and then blame everybody but them. So, you know, if y'all been buying stuff and from people and places and shipping, that, you know what I mean. Alright, we got this one done. I think that turned out alright. Ooh, that's hot.
Social distancing queen, that's me.
Wear a mask over it too. No, I'm just tripping. I'm just messing with you. Alright, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. I'm trying to get it in there. Alright. So, we got that done. Make sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to go to the website and sign up today at ercprintingsupplies.com. It's free to sign up, and you'll get good deals through email blast and text messaging, and you can sign up for both. And
join us on Facebook, ERC Printing and Supplies.
And we'll see y'all
in the next video.
Yeah.